single tasking. Very important. Don't do multitasking. Next, the similar kind of tasks. At the same time, better to do task batching. Have you remembered? Task batching we covered already in the last sessions. These type of things must be required to improve your productivity. Random works, you should not do that. Reactive kind of mentality, you should not. Always have proactive mindset. Okay. So Ramesh, business owner case. Ramesh plans his business year. He schedules big projects. He aligns actions with the vision. He tracks progress. So Ramesh is always understanding my year should follow my vision. My year should follow my vision. Okay, his vision and his year schedule are going to be aligned. Remember, business growth, expansion, strong execution will be there. But Suresh works without a year plan. He handles daily issues, no big goals, no direction. Suresh believes, let me manage current problems. Let me manage current problems. Array, let me complete today. That's it. I never going to worry about tomorrow. I never going to worry about year. Let me complete today. Let me complete today. That's what instant. Where is the long-term plan? No growth. No growth. Confusion. Missed opportunities. N number of things will come into the picture. That's why prior planning in any area, man. Prior planning prevents problems. Prior planning makes you powerful and peaceful. Prior planning compulsory must be required. If you are not having the plan, you will be part of some other person's plan. If you are not having schedule, your own schedule, you will be part of some other person's schedule. If you are not having the goal, you will be part of some other person's goal. You should have the plan. You should have your own schedule. You should have your own goal. You should have your own priorities. Otherwise, someone is going to come. Hare, shall we go to until Shamshabad? Why not? Raf will be happy. I can come. Or shall we go to the movie? Yeah, why not? I will come. Because you are not having anything. At the end of the day, at the end of the week, or at the end of the year, Hare, what you achieved? Nothing, Ra. But I'm always busy. What busy? In what area you are busy, man? You are part of some other person's schedule. Then how you can expect the growth? Have you getting my point? Okay. So this is prior planning. Compulsory you people should have. Priority is compulsory. Your time you should be busy on highest result activities only. You should work on your own schedule, not some other person's schedule. You should be part of your own schedule, which is always talks about highest priority activities. Don't be part of some other person's schedule. Don't be part of some other person's goal. This is the most important point you should aware. Okay. So better to have plan your year in advance. 10x growth in the next 10 years. Worry about my situation in the first 1 year, in the next 3 years, in the next 5 years, in the next 8 years, and then 10 years. Divide. And then think about in this year I'm going to complete. In this year, I'm going to do this. Okay, like you should have at least not a day-to-day, minute-to-minute schedule, I'm not asking. At least top priorities for this week, top priorities for this year, you should have in advance in your mind. Okay,